Uiguano yo gatagati ga bururi wa Kenya na Amerika wari ukinyanirio gatagati-ini ka mweri muhituku no kumana na wagagu wigie kuigirirwo kwa riboti cia AKENYA cia ugima wa mwiri ugitindikiriria uiguano yo uguteirio no riu President William Ruto agikira wira Minista MUNENE MUSALIA MUDAVADI na Minista MUNENE wa Amerika RUBIO magikiranira NGIRIMITI egie motungata ma urigitani mubango uria wirigirirwo gukinyiria motungata ma urigitani kuri AKENYA OOTHE.
The framework we signed today adds momentum to my administration's universal health coverage that is focused on supply of modern equipment to our hospitals, efficient and timely delivery of health commodities to our facilities, enhancement of our health workforce, and health insurance for all, leaving no Kenyan behind. This facility will also boost disease surveillance and emergency preparedness.
NGIRIMITI ino IKIRANIIRWO mucini wa Washington DC bururi-ini wa Amerika kwa ihinda ria miaka 5 yukite. Bururi wa Amerika ugitanywo kuhe Kenya $1.6 billion iria ikwerekerio kuri honge itiganite cia thirikari hatari mihigo yothe.
On behalf of the government and people of Kenya, I express profound gratitude to the United States, to President Donald Trump, and to you, Marco, for the commitment of $1.6 billion to Kenya over the next 5 years. This gesture of goodwill by President Trump on behalf of the American taxpayers reinforce our ongoing mobilization of domestic resources by Kenyans and actors and stakeholders in Kenya to the health sector. And I assure you that every shilling and every dollar will be spent efficiently, effectively, and accountably.
Bururi wa Kenya nigo bururi wa mbere kuingira NGIRIMITI-ini teno na bururi wa Amerika uiguano yo gukiri uguo ukigomerwo ni nganja kuma kuri AKENYA amwe cia hihi riboti cia ugima wa mwiri cia AKENYA gukorwo ikigwo utheri-ini kuri thirikari ya Amerika. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.